Everyone, welcome to another day in the life of window cleaner vlog. It's me and Matthew. The dream team is normal. We've got 20 cleans today, and we've got 7 in Sutton St Edmund, which is the next village up that way, and then the next village down that way we've got 13 in Murrow. So it's a bread and butter day for a window cleaner. They're all window cleans, so follow along and see how we get on. It's me and Matthew, just had lunch. We've finished in Sutton St Edmunds. It was probably about 20 to 12 and we passed our hour, so it's a natural point to have a break. So we've done that, I've bombed up the tank and we're now going to Murrow. We've got 13 cleans left. Just wanted to point someone out. Does anyone use this? It's a scraper. I've ordered it, I think it was just off Amazon. It's plastic, and I don't know if you can see these blades, they're plastic as well, double-sided, and you get a pack of 10 blades with it as well. Just undo this to remove the blades. I just thought use this as an everyday scraper and see how it fares up rather than using the metal ones, because with water-fed pole you don't need to use the scraper too much. It's mainly this time of year to get pollen off and things like that, stubborn marks that the brush ain't going to get off on the downstairs windows. It's handy to have something like this in your pocket, but you just use it now and then and it'll go rusty. Whereas if you're using them day in, day out, you'll just swap them around at the end of every day anyway, the blades. So that's why I thought I'd go a plastic one. Won't go rusty, obviously. But I do wonder if the plastic will stand up to much. I'm sure it'd be all right on pollen and stuff like that, but I think if you did a builder's clean, you'd have to use your metal scraper. So I still have that. I just thought it's handy to have in the pocket. And yeah, been using that so far today, but the fingernail comes in more handy, to be honest. I keep forgetting now I've got this in my pocket. Anyway, see how we get on. Just gone up past 4, that's me and Matthew done for the day. We've ended up with 19 cleans done. We had one skip. The customer's not long come out of hospital, been in there for a couple of weeks, so just not feeling very well really. Bless her heart. And yeah, that's us done. We have got a couple of inquiries come in for faces, substance gutters, so I've got a couple of quotes to do, send them off. And looks like we've got another day of doing them coming up. So yeah, all's good. Long may this nice weather continue. The work comes in, it's definitely better than what it was over winter anyway. So all looks good at the moment. So fingers crossed for more of it, eh? Hope you're all doing well. Put them in the comments below if the weather's treating you good. Like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and there'll be a video coming up here somewhere for YouTube for you next to watch. See you on the next one. Take care.